Nike Mind 001 no longer needs an introduction, as it has already become one of the most discussed and divisive footwear designs in recent years. Positioned as a recovery-focused slip-on with strong experimental roots, the model continues to blur the space between performance science and lifestyle expression. This time, it returns in a new Mineral Slate colorway that shifts the conversation in a calmer direction. Compared to earlier high-impact releases, this version opts for a muted green upper that feels grounded, almost therapeutic in appearance. The understated tone makes the bold silhouette easier to absorb while staying true to its unconventional identity. Underfoot, the defining feature remains unchanged. Each sole is fitted with 22 raised foam nodes designed to engage sensory feedback and encourage a slower, more intentional walking experience. While opinions may vary on the concept, the sensation is undeniably unique. Subtle orange accents beneath the sole add contrast without overpowering the look.